Yeah.
See,
Yes, sir.
congratulations. 2 goals, 2 assists. How does that
Thank you.
make you feel?
Uh, as a forward, it makes me feel good. I feel I'm always delighted to score for Asante Kotoko, the mighty club. 2 goals and 2 assists. They're trying to build my confidence, so I believe I'll start from there.
3 goals in your last 2 games. How does that make you feel?
Yeah, like I said before, it builds my confidence as a player. So I believe I'm going to score more, and my confidence is coming. So I believe I'll give my best.
Would you say you are finding your form, your fit, your old self?
Yeah, I believe so. I believe so because the performance is really amazing. I'm also proud of myself, proud of my teammates, proud of my coaches. We have really worked hard behind the scenes. This is the hard work you're seeing. We are repaying now. Yeah.
Ahead of the season, you said you wanted to be the goal king. Are you still sticking to that? Looking at the fixture congestion and the big games coming up.
Yeah, we always get hardships during the season. We always get hardships, but I believe those are just stepping stone and trying to build me as a player. So the difficulties, they won't let me lose focus. So I believe I'll give my best and try to be the goal king as well.